Welcome to Quick Tech News, where we keep you updated in the world of tech without wasting your time. First up in the news is something that seems a bit concerning. NZXT has stopped the sales of its H1 case after reports of fires. As you may know, I myself own a H1 since July, and so far I've had no fires. But according to NZXT, the two screws used for attaching the PCIe riser assembly to the chassis could cause an electric short circuit, posing a fire hazard. The bad news is that if you do own an NZXT H1, they recommend that you power down your PC until they have resolved the issue. However, I think this is just NZXT taking this issue very seriously, which is good and they should. But so far it seems fewer than 10 units have been affected. The good news is that they are already working on a fix, which will most likely be a repair kit that they can send out to all of their customers, which will be much less painful than sending the cases back to NZXT. As for me, like I said, my PC has been perfectly fine for close to half a year now, so I think it would not be crazy for me to assume that if I was in any danger of short-circuiting something, it probably would have happened already. I have reached out to them asking for a repair kit, and if you need to do the same, you can do so by emailing h1support@nzxt.com or by calling their phone line. Next up in the news, some new Galaxy Buds have been leaked. These will apparently be called the Galaxy Buds Pro and will ditch the bean-shaped design for something more similar to their previous Buds. The Buds Pro will likely offer active noise cancellation, which so far only the Buds Live offer, and that would be a convincing argument for me to get them, if the microphones are good too. The more I use my Buds Plus, the more I realize that the microphones inside are rather trash. Also, Samsung, can you please not release a new pair of buds every 6 months? Last but not least, we have some news from DJI. Seems like somebody has violated their non-disclosure agreement and leaked this, the DJI FPV Combo. The drone doesn't look like anything we've seen before from DJI. So, what is an FPV drone? FPV stands for first person view, which means that along with the drone and controller you essentially get a VR headset which allows you to see directly what the drone is seeing. The purpose of the drone is to fly fast and be agile. The drone could be used just for racing purposes, but you could also film with it, specifically film fast-paced shots that would be much more difficult on a traditional drone. Anyway, it's exciting, but these few leaked images don't tell us much, so I'll check back on this topic once we have more. If you enjoyed this video, I'd really appreciate if you could like the video, subscribe, and tell your friends to help get this channel off the ground. Thanks, and see you next time.